Hi, I'm Leanne, and today I'm reviewing my Ryobi drill. So this is a great little power tool for me because it helps me get stuff done around the house, like hanging pictures, mounting furniture to the wall. That's why I got it. It comes in this green case. It's got a zipper on it, easy access. And then all the drill bits are in here. They're not all in their spots, but they're in there. Then it has a detachable, rechargeable battery. It comes with, of course, the battery charging plate, and that is just a standard plug-in to your wall. So I'm going to show you me using this drill to put a picture on the wall. So you can change the orientation of the drill by hitting this button here. It's going to spin one way, and you push it through, it's going to spin the other. And to switch out your drill bits, you're just going to tighten and loosen this, and that is going to tighten or loosen these three little pieces, and your drill bit goes in there, so that's what's going to hold it in place. But in summary, this is a great household drill. I keep it in my laundry room, and it gets the job done for anything I need to drill around the house. I do recommend it.